Hey, welcome back. So we're working on a Lexus Rx350. It's a 2020. So if we look at a 2020 or a 2021, we're going to notice some differences when it comes to not the SSC ID, but the seat position. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to use the KM100 and the Xhorse, depending on what tools you have. But let's go ahead and get started. So let's go back. So home screen, we're connected. Let's go ahead and do it the KM100. We're going to read. And read. Pretty straightforward. So again, customer's key has that key ring on there. It says it's have learned broken English, and it's A9. Okay, and it's for a Toyota Lexus, same thing. We're gonna take that one out and let's stick it in here, and we're gonna do transponder and read. Okay, it says it's learned and A9, cool. Now, a lot of times if we try to add like a new key for a 2021, it's gonna be a different key position. So we have the customer's key here with the key tag. Let's go ahead and scan the new key and see. So the new key, it says it's blank. Okay, and it's A9. So this key, it's like a virgin key. It's ready to go into that vehicle, no problem. Let's stick it in here and let's read. Two different machines, the same kind of thing. It says brand new and key position A9. So now if we look at this, we can program this to the vehicle. You're done in a couple seconds, easy peasy. But now say if this one was locked or for another vehicle, I will have links below in the description for a situation like that. I did that recently with the Toyota. We can always go back, and if we look at special function and unlock Toyota, it's gonna do the 40, the 80, 120. You have to wait for it to flash. It will not work with the new type of keys because this is gonna be an 8A. This is gonna be for like the old Toyotas, old Lexus, like the 13, 14, 15s in that year range. Same thing for here. If I go back and I go to special function and I go to Toyota Smart Key Unlocking, and here it says 4D, 40, 80, 8A, and 128-bit. Cool, so this one will do for the new types. This is for the old types. Now, if I was crazy and I stuck this in here, that could kill it, and then the proximity would no longer work for this key, and you're done. So I have a video in the links for that, where similar situation did not cause that, but that's going to be what the vehicle does when the chip, later I found out the chip was just defective. It was about 4 years old, and it just stopped working, sort of, but it still said learned and everything. So it's interesting. So check out those videos, and yeah, now we're able to go program, and we're done.